Okay, in this video we will clone our documentation for your own support portal. So it's important when you run your own React App Builder, your own service, to have your own documentation somewhere to let the user know how they can create mobile apps and how they should produce the mobile app and later on use it. So we have created documentations that you can easily use in order to clone them and use it as on your own documentation. So we are using Support Hub for our documentation. You can you do the same. So because they have free service. So first we will go over the step one, which is create account on Support Hub, and we already have did that, and we are here. We named our account React App Builder. I connect with an email and I confirm my email, so that should be pretty straightforward for you. After you have successfully created your account, you need to create a category. So let's first create a category in categories, and I will name it new category, and I will put in it documentation. Okay, and in documentation I'm able to create additional, so you can use this for your own how do I say, ticket system. Okay, and in documentation articles I need to create collections, and I should create the same collections. I will open this in terminal in Finder. So here in the AppMaker docs are the documentation, and we have created three folders, which is how to make an app, test and submit for creation, and publishing and updating. And in all of them there are HTML files. We have exported this from our documentation, which is available here. Let me find it. It's available online, AppMaker. So we have this. This is how it will look. How to make an app, test and submit for creation, and publishing and updating. And the good thing is here is that Support Hub has an import function. Okay, so we will create our category first, the how to make an app. How to make an app, and should be public, and add collection. Then in this collection I'm able to import all the files from that collection. Okay, so I'm able to upload MD files, also HTML files, and in this case we have the how to make an app, we have HTML files open, and all of this should be published. Okay, I should do the same, and you can reorder them. You should reorder them according to this. Create app in App Builder, so create app in the App Builder, then comes manage the app, and so on. I will just click save and later on do that. Then create a new collection, and the next collection in my folder list is test and submit for creation. Here is test and submit for creation, and here we have two files only, public and add collection, import, so you guessed it how it goes. Published, and the third one will be publishing and updating. Know that this is just, they are good, it's good documentation, but you can always update with your own things, so it's easy to change, of course, because you own it. Publishing and updating. There are three files here, published, and we have everything. Okay, so let's see how that will look. Here is my React App Builder docs, and here I have documentation. and here I have all my data. And this is their instructions on how to make app, manage the app. You can see all of it, and I now want to link this to my site, to my landing site, so the users know where they can read more about it. And to do that, so I want this support link to be a link to my support portal. So I'm going in my app builder, test.react app builder, and I go to settings, and yeah, you guessed it, it's the menu here, support hub.io, that I need to change, and it should link to this one. Okay, so once it's changed, the support links to me. So the clients can create tickets and read the documentation how to make the app. And with this I have fully functional landing page together with the support portal, and this is how you can edit it. You can directly edit it, any article, or add more things in it. Thanks for watching this video. With this we have covered all of these steps here, so you have your own documentation, so your clients are happy with it. Thanks for watching.